Okay guys, now we can see the student name here, and we could also see the pizza, burger, chicken nugget, fruit bowl, ice cream have been consumed by so many people. So imagine that you are running a restaurant, and people are now going on their occasions. So we got to see how many numbers of pizzas, burger, chicken nugget, fruit bowl and ice creams they have had. So at the end of the year, I just wanted to find out about these details, Mr. Sam, Raj, Mickey, Andy, Kevin, Andy, Victor. So I want to know like how many fruit bowl did they consume. So what I'm going to do now is you can see the details are being updated here vertically, right? This is vertically updated. So I need to find out the details here like fruit bowl. So you can see there are so many students name here. So but then I can't be copying everything. So when the data is very large, it becomes so tough for us to pick those details. So let me use VLOOKUP in this case. So I want to find this quickly. So I type VLOOKUP and then it automatically pops up. So I just press tab, and then the lookup value. What am I looking up for? I'm looking for Sam. So this will be my lookup value. And then when I go to the table array, so this is the table array, right? So this is the table array. So I'm going to select this table array. So let me select this, shift control down button. Okay, so I'm going to select this and press F4 to lock it. Okay, so this will be fixed, right? So the selection will be from this table itself, and then I just put a comma, follow the instructions over here. So it says index number, column index number. So student name will be my first column, pizza will be my second column, burger will be my third column, chicken fourth column, fruit bowl is a fifth column. So I want to find out fruit bowls detail, right? So I type 5 over here, and then so it asks me approximate match or exact match. I want the exact match, right? So I just choose that and close the button, click enter. See, 63. um so let me also copy this or drag the button, whichever is convenient, and let me now cross check. Sam has consumed 63 fruit bar in a year. Okay, so they're going on occasion. So 63. Next, I find it for Raj, 25. Raj is 25 over here, right? So I can see a 25. And next is Mickey, 178. You can see a 178. Mickey, right? Next is Andy, 20. See, Andy, I got 20. Yeah. So likewise, I can see for Kevin as well, right? So these details are very much available for us. So it is you can fetch the details very quickly, and you can give this data to whomsoever they are requiring to. So that's how VLOOKUP is used. So vertically you can see all the details you have been updated, so we can use the VLOOKUP. Hope this video is useful. Thank you so much guys.